Existing conditions is one of the most important parts of the study. In addition to doing the data collection from sources such as our own Florida traffic information online or the FDOT Transportation Information DVD, and if you don't know about it, we're going to show you how to get it. You make sure that this part of the study is focused on actual conditions for the places that might be impacted by new development. Sometimes it means you have to do more than just view the traffic situation. As you see here in these pictures, we're looking at not only traffic counts, but pedestrian counts and cyclists. One of your best references for the appropriate way to collect data is our own quality level of service handbook. DOT has developed this handbook and the accompanying software to do planning level analysis for highways, bus service, cyclists, and pedestrians. And since the handbook refers to the type of data that goes into these models that we use, the LOS plan and the generalized service tables, it can serve as a good reference for data collection. I'm just going to quickly go over what you need. You need the site characteristics. You also need the transportation characteristics. Then you need to look at the transportation demand data and the land use, the activity that's on that land use. This is an example of a site plan that was developed for one of the most recent developments of regional impact that's in Taylor County, and it shows proposed land uses and locations in relation to the surrounding transportation system. This slide is just an example of a very simple diagram of a roadway in a very small space. It provides a lot of information critical to the analysis of these intersections. Other important information that needs to be provided should be the jurisdiction of the roadways, the area types, important classifications. Don't forget that there are other modes that are to be considered. You should be looking at the sidewalks, the bike paths, their condition, the frequency of bus routes in that area, and this should have probably gone first, is that to look at crash information. So if you can find a safety problem, there's a chance that during the improvement phase we can make the situation better for people. In the handbook we have links to numerous multimodal documents. They are on there, and you should take a look at those, and they're constantly being updated in our public transportation. This is a sample of a simplified diagram of turning movements similar to the kind that you will need to be collecting, especially close to the site. And this is just a reminder that your signals are impacted by pedestrians, and we should be serving pedestrians, and it does make an impact in the way that you time your signal, so it is important.